Amal hasn't been here yet 2 years, and so what she has accomplished in the short amount of time that she's been here has been great.
Recording in 3, 2, 1, begin.
So this class is called a newcomers class, so typically any student that has been in the country 3 years or less is placed in this class, and the goal of this class is to really get them prepared to be able to be successful in school by acquiring their second or even third language.
If she doesn't understand the question, he'll have someone translate in Arabic, and he pushes her to speak English as often as possible.
As a Google certified innovator, always seeking innovative ways to use technology to bridge the language divide. Having them collaborate in their own primary language is really important, but also when I don't speak their language, I will utilize certain apps to kind of bridge that language divide and also learn, a few phrases in Arabic or in Punjabi or in Zapotec. So the goal is to utilize whatever tools are necessary to bridge that language divide.
How are you today?
كيف حالك اليوم؟
أنا بخير.
I'm fine.
It's not only about learning English, it's also learning about, programming. And so I would argue she's learning her fourth language, which is computer programming.
She's always learning about different programs in Arabic, so now she was able to transfer that knowledge into her computer science class.
I tweeted out her success because she was the first student in that class to complete her Android-based app. So that's why, to me, it was a great success story. Not only is she learning the language, she's a newcomer, but on top of that, she was the first to complete and finish her app.
Yeah, Mr. Tovar, he helped me a lot.